Hello everyone, this is Hrishikesh Reddy. My roll number is 21CS30028 and today I am going to present my DIY assignment 1, a phone case. As you can see, I created this phone case using the software FreeCAD. Its dimensions being 120 into 80 into 12. So first for that I took a cube of 120 into 80 into 12 and made two other cubes, smaller ones. And I've made a boolean operation union of those two. After that, I've cut the union out of the main cube, thus giving me a hollow cube like this. After that, I I took another four cubes, their dimensions being 2 into 20 into 6 for this charging port we see here. Ten into 2 into 2 for this power button we see here, and 20 into 2 into 2 for the volume button we see here. And I have also cut a cube out of the body, which being 10 into 20 into 2. So first I have started with the cubes being over origin and I have translated them to their respective places before making a union of each of them and cutting them out of my main body. I have also cut out a cylinder, as you can see here, which represents my earphone jack. Its dimensions being radius equal to 2 mm and height equal to 2 mm. And to give it a premium look, I have also added fillet options to the ends, both inside and outside, to all the corners. Their radius of fillet being 6 mm. And I have also added a fillet option for my camera edges, whose radius is 2 mm. And I've changed my color to this. And if I open this in Cura software, I've already opened it prior to the recording. I've laid it on the bed and it's actually ready to be printed. As you can see over here, the print speed is 50 mm per second, which is less than 60 mm per second as per the assignment. And the dimensions of the object are also 120 into 80 into 12, which are also well within the limits given in the assignment. And the time for the total printing would be 4 hours 14 minutes, material costing 33 grams. Yeah, that's my assignment. Thank you.